We are facing the paradox of AI everywhere these days. There is so much investment being made, but few implementations ever reach production. If you go by industry surveys, the failure rates are as high as 70 to 80%. This has created leadership to question the whole premise of investing in AI. A customer once told me AI talk is cheaper than Wi Fi. Everyone is connected, but no one's really uploading the results. If we dive deeper and try to determine the reasons behind this high failure rate or low success rate, probably there will be many reasons. But one thing I'm confident about is that it's not due to technology failure or lack of effort. It's probably the aftershock of excitement that ChatGPT and other AI assistants created. They've made AI accessible, cheap, and easy to integrate. That led to a wave of AI systems being built on shaky foundations. It did lead to a rise of AI automation specialists and workflow designers using low code, no code tools. Nothing wrong with that. Please don't take me wrong. But if you dig deeper in all this excitement, fundamental software design and change management principles got skipped. These systems then started to behave like sandcastles that crumble under pressure. Note that automation without experience based process modeling and engineering rigor is risky. That's why the low code, no code tools, even though they simplify the system, they introduce nuances that miss best practices, which surface in production systems, causing scaling and stability issues. All in all, you just can't duct tape your way to digital transformation. So, here I will leave you with the pitfalls that you should avoid while implementing AI systems. First thing is design for scale. Architect for tomorrow's growth, not for today's prototype. Small proof of concept are great, but they must be designed with room to expand. Because a bridge built for bicycles won't handle trucks. You don't want to redesign or reinvent everything that you did. Second, augment humans. Do not implement AI systems with the intentions to just replace them. The goal is efficiency, not elimination. Use AI to remove repetition, empower decision making, but keep humans in the loop, at least with the current availability of AI. AI should be treated as copilot, not captain. Maintain oversight for exceptions, ethics, accountability, and all. Lastly, don't forget about software engineering best practices. Follow design principles, workflow modeling, and disciplined rollout steps. Follow proper design, testing, version control, and documentation. Note that shortcuts today will become short circuits tomorrow. Treat AI projects like any other serious software project and not just an automation project. AI will work best as the engine under the hood, not driver behind the wheel. With that, this is Harjot Bambra from Creative Bits AI signing off. Please follow for such discussions in the future. Thank you.